Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, on gold, I still think that this very clearly looks like a 1, 2, 3. It looks like we are trying to start the wave 4. We'll have to keep an eye on it because, like I said yesterday, we actually could still be in a wave 3. But if it is a wave 4, then potentially it's going to make a crescent that would last at least 4 to 6 months before it actually goes up and makes a big wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. So like I said, it looks like it's trying to make a wave 4 already. And if it is a wave 4, then this potentially is going to stretch out into a much bigger, more drawn out correction. Maybe look at something like this, going down to maybe the 38 or the 50% before it actually does go up. Something probably pretty similar to the wave 2 back here, especially when you're talking about the time scale. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it definitely looks like this first move down is likely an A. This move up right here kind of seems like it should be an A, B, C of B, and it seems like it should potentially go back down for a C, and this would be all a wave 4. The only problem is if this is the size of the wave 4, then that's actually too small to be the big wave 4 on the higher time frame. So we're gonna have to see how this turns out. It might end up stretching out into a much more complex correction like a WXY or something along those lines. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I had this labeled as an A, but it could possibly be a 1. I had this labeled as a B, but it could possibly be a 2. It looks like this impulsive move up here is an A of B or an A of 2. It looks like this move down is an A, B, C of B, which will probably end up making some sort of a three-way pattern down to a Fibonacci level before it goes up and makes the bigger wave B. So let's head right down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, this move down right here is very likely an A of wave B on like the 4 hour time frame. Definitely looks like 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this goes down, makes a double bottom, and then goes up and breaks structure, that's what will tell me that the wave A of B is over. And then I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here, and I would expect a correction to this move down, like a wave B, and eventually it would end the correction going down again for a wave C, and this would likely all be just an ABC of that wave B on the 4 hour time frame. So depending on what kind of trader you are, I would be looking for shorts until you get a break of structure to the upside around the 1 hour time frame. And then you potentially could be looking for longs for the wave B. Once the wave B is over, start looking for shorts for the wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.